I'm making Ezekiel flour. This is actually a recipe that dates back to the biblical times, and this particular variation is one that my mom makes, and so I really like it. I feel like I'm being so healthy when I eat this flour in my stuff. It has so much greater protein, so much greater nutrients than just doing your basic wheat flour. So let me show you how to make the mix first. I start out with 2 cups worth of pearl barley, 2 cups of oat groats. These ones in particular have actually been stone cut, but that's because I couldn't find the whole ones at my store this time, but it'll work just as well. 2 cups of millet, 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of amaranth. This is actually kind of a fun grain. It comes from this really lovely flour. So you could actually get away with growing that flour in your flower garden and then harvesting the grain out of it later. I usually put whole rye in here as well, but I didn't have it at my store this time. So that's something that I would add if you have the option. And then I do 1 cup of navy beans, 1 cup of kidney beans, 1 cup of red beans, 1 cup of dry lima beans, 1 cup of lentils, half of a cup of whole corn, a half a cup of flax seeds. Sometimes I'll do 1/4 a cup of golden and 1/4 a cup of brown, but I'm just doing brown today. Half a cup of black-eyed peas, and a half a cup of split peas. Just looking at all these colors in here makes me happy. I don't know what it is about it. And it's so satisfying to mix. This is something that's fun to include the little kids in. They don't mind helping mix this at all. And just look how pretty that is. I mean, you've got all those different colors, all those different kinds of grains and beans. It's just nutrient dense, so good for you. I then take my mix and I place it in an airtight container. For me, a 1/2 gallon mason jar works fabulously. I tend to have a lot of canning jars around though, so that makes sense. That made about 1 gallon worth of mix for me. Now I'll just put an airtight lid on it and it will be good for up to a year. Anytime I want to make some flour, I'll just go and get this and I'll be able to start from here. To use this Ezekiel mix, I'll put 2 cups of regular wheat berries into my grinder and add half of a cup of the Ezekiel mix. And I'll continue to do that until my hopper is full. So 2 cups, half of a cup, 2 cups, half of a cup. And that is all it takes to make a high protein, very nutritious flour to add to your meals.